So I just created a website for the show. I've done this in the past a few times, so I'm pretty well versed on how to do it, but I spent a little bit more time doing this. If you want to check it out, it is www.entertainmentwithkevin.com. This one is going to be strictly a motorcycle website for now, for the time being. I'm not going to put too much content up on the website, but I am going to update it as much as I can, 3 times a week. It does have a music player, and it does have a player for the show as well, so do check it out. Check out the website and enjoy. And thank you for listening, and have a great night, because I am going to try and get some sleep.